All right, so we're pushing these highs. We still have SMT present, obviously, so that won't go away just yet. If anything, we might put in more SMT with the inability for ES to get above these highs. If it does stay like this, we see NQ already breaking that internal high, which is the opening range high. This is the opening range high, by the way. So it is significant. So we need to see how that high gets treated. Do we sweep it, displace lower, or do we just displace right on through? Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm flipping through the time frames. I'm eyeing up. Right now I'm eyeing up the bullish scenario, because that's what we're closer to doing right now, is getting long. So I'm eyeing up where I would get long if we're presented a long scenario. So right now my eyes go to this 3-minute order block in confluence with this 3-minute gap. Would just mark up equilibrium and most likely put the entry right there, stop below this low. And then if price shifts bearish, then we'll obviously have to flip and look at things differently. We'll go over to this chart on ES. Yeah, trade evaded's back on top step. I haven't said it yet this session, but I did throw it in the Discord, I think, on Friday. So let's go to the 5-minute. Yeah, right now it's hard to get a read on market. You know, you kind of can favor longs, you know, just because you can see this price continually capitulating to the upside, but we have more than ample reason for both sides of the market. But just the way that we're not displacing through these highs just yet. We're kind of coming up and like just wicking past them, coming right back down in the range. ES still hasn't gone through this high yet, opening range high. So that SMT is still present. Kind of like the way that we've just broken down here. I don't like the fact of it looking so much cleaner on NQ, because we were anticipating wanting to get short on ES. This is a nice bearish setup right here, which we might still end up taking, but just going to hold off just a second. But yeah, nice order block here, nice fair value gap. The draw for us to the downside, though, is on ES. So even if we went short on NQ, we would look here, and once that got met, we'd be out, even if NQ didn't push lower. But yeah, this is a nice, finally some nice displacement, some nice structure getting put in. Kind of seeing it break below both of these swing lows. We do see price did punch above this high one more time on NQ, so that is high resistance liquidity run. Let's see what this looks like getting short. Yeah, tight, nice under 15 handles. Targeting even this swing low would be 54. So I'm going to get short right there, guys, for this morning. But yeah, sell limit set on NQ. And then, yeah, aiming for this recent low here. Pulled back to equilibrium. It's everything you really look for. So so far so good. Here's where I'd say TP1 is. Last bullish order block right there. Ideally would not, I would like to see this not show respect here if we're going to continue to this low. I'd like to see it just kind of run right through. But yeah, TP1, TP2, TP3. Again, my final target is the low on ES. So just go off of that. But I guess just short term, you're looking at this. There you guys go. If you guys want a partial, feel free. 3.5 hours. I think I got 6 last night. Not too shabby. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do, just because I have one contract on, I just closed it. I think it'll still go. But I'm taking a partial. That was my version of a partial with only one contract, but all right, guys, get ready to partial again or close fully, up to you. Boom. We'll see what we get here. It's quite the reaction. I would expect this to hold right here if we're going to continue lower. Would expect to see this to hold as a bearish breaker. And we still obviously had that SMT present from these highs. Look at this thing. It's nice when it works out perfect. We'll see. This was nice, but this was also looking semi-energetic right now. Yeah, if it displaces strong above these highs, that's not going to be good for further downside, I don't think. I say that basically just to point out that if price does return back up, I guess there's a 15-minute gap now if this 15-minute candle closes like this, but I guess you wouldn't expect much return to these levels unless price was shifting structure. And if price shifts structure, then it's might just be worth closing the rest. We close in our candle closes in 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes. If you guys wanted, you could partial once more right this moment, or just close it fully. It's up to you. We did just form a bullish PD right now. 1 minute order block, fair value gap, displaced pretty strong above this high. It looks like we are shifting indeed on the 1 minute time frame at least. So yeah, hopefully that all makes sense, guys. Yeah, we can hang out here for a little bit more. If you guys have questions on anything or anything you guys want to go over, let me know as well. So have a great rest of your guys' Monday. Enjoy your day. It looks nice out as far as at least where I am. Might be nighttime for some of you guys though. And I will talk to you guys later today in the Discord. And obviously I'll see you guys on tomorrow's session as well. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. We'll talk to you guys soon.